So I've entered my address into every website that I need it in just to kind of quicken the process. I see here's my zip code. I'm going to plug that in, 30060. My next website is going to tell me this property last sold. Sold 83,000. Doesn't give me a date. I got my 3 beds, 1 bath, 1 full bath, 1,400 square feet. And notice that this property here is located in Cobb County. So I have Cobb as the county. All right. Year built, 1967. Now notice the square footage changed here. Total square footage is what we want. And we'll just see they have 2450 here. We'll see what the other sites say before we make a note of that and change it. All right, so we're on to the next site. They're using 1,400 as well. So we'll just keep it as 1,400. That's apparently the finished square footage. 7 rooms. Now here's something to note. It says that this property sold March 18th, 2016. All right, so we didn't have that before. So we'll plug that in. And there's the sale price, 83,000. That's what we had before. So we were just missing the sales date. All right, next site, realtor.com. Still at 14. Now we have lot size here. Which is 8,989 square feet. All right, move on to our last one here. Information is looking the same, except this one has 2 baths. All the other ones said 1 bath. We're going to stick with that for now. All the information is looking the same. Okay, now we're going to go to the county tax assessor. So notice we've done Gwinnett County, we've done Fulton County. However, this property is in Cobb County. So like the others, we're going to look up Cobb County tax assessor. Just like any other county, we're looking for the property search. Now, as all the others, this one is also different. So notice we're looking for the number of the property, which is 975. The street name, which is Pear. And we'll just search and see if we can find it with that information. And there we go. So we'll click on that. So if you notice, I clicked on this without copying and moving the parcel ID. And the reason for doing that is this particular county website does not allow you to copy and paste. So what we're going to simply do is we're going to copy the parcel ID right here. and we're going to paste it that way, so at least we do have the parcel ID number. However, unfortunately for this particular county, they do not give you a link. And I'll just go back just so you can see what I mean there. You know, this is not a link that we can actually, you know, do anything with. So we're just going to go ahead and click on here, but we will copy, which I just did, and paste the parcel ID in our database so that whoever looks at this next, they still will have the parcel ID and be able to look up the property fairly quickly. So here we go. We have the owner information here. We can see that this is a private owner, so we're going to put their name here. This particular website. All right, so copy and paste the owner's information. Now notice Cobb County is different. It doesn't give you all of the owner's information. It just gives you their name. So we're just going to copy and paste their name like we did. And we're going to see what other information do we have here that we can find. So this website is different, that it doesn't have everything right here. So you have to start actually clicking some other items. So here's the profile of the property there. So you got a chance to see what that is. Here's the values of the property. So you click that and you get a little bit more information. Okay. And here's the residential information. This is a residential property. So here is where you'll get that information from. Okay. So we have, there's the square footage, living area, year built, total rooms, 3 bed, 1 bath, 0 half baths. So there is all that information there. I'll just show you guys what happens if you click commercial. There's no data because this is not a commercial property. Here's the sales history. So they show us some of the actual history with the property. All right. Well, not the sales history, but just appraisal history from the city or from the county. They also have a list of appeals, permits, sales. There's the sales information. So we have 83,000 February of 2016. Okay, so I actually know this seller. Okay. And tax information. We're just kind of going through just to see what we're able to find on this particular website. They're all different. All right. So you can actually see some of their tax information here that is unpaid. This is not something we're going to make note of, but sometimes if we see on this particular county website, if you see a huge balance, make note of that because that's actually key information. But that's not bad, so we're going to keep it moving. And that actually completes our training for today. You're going to basically just repeat that process throughout. And we look forward to closing lots of deals together. This is a private owner. I'm sorry we didn't finish that. We don't know if it's non-owner occupied. We don't know where the owner lives, so we'll keep that blank. But it is a private owner. And that's about all the information that we got from this particular website. That completes our training. You'll do that for each property. Happy hunting, and let's close some deals together.